Hello, my name is Janae and I'm with Keep It Clean Block Club. Keep It Clean Block Club has greatly contributed to the transformation we now see in our area today. Our organization's main goal was to connect our immediate community together in order to beautify the neighborhood, ensure a higher level of safety, and improve the overall quality of life for families in the area. Keep It Clean Block Club has aided to the transformation in the area numerous of ways. As a block club, we have hosted Motor City Makeover multiple times, and with the help of volunteers, usually the youth, we were able to clean the neighborhood of dump materials, tree brush, and other debris. Another way we have contributed is by combating the blight that is naturally attracted by the land bank, owned vacant lots, and abandoned homes. We sponsored the demolition of one of the land bank owned properties that was impeding on the quality of life of one of our members who happens to be a senior citizen. The property was a hazardous structure that presented a risk because of the previous fire damage. Over time, we have removed the illegally dumped materials and taken actions to prevent future dumping in the neighborhood. We also maintain the lawns on these properties that would usually be left overgrown. In addition to maintaining the lawns for the blocks, we also weekly check and clear storm drains. This was a serious problem for the block club members in the past, and it would take an ample time to get a response from the city to support. Probably our proudest accomplishment yet as a block club was supporting the group of volunteer youth members from the neighborhood to build a community garden and watching the garden evolve into a productive green space where the residents can really connect with one another. Lastly, as a block club, we work intimately with our neighborhood police officer, Officer Randolph, and our district managers, Ernest Johnson and Kayana Sessoms, to constantly ensure safety and improve the quality of life. What are your project goals? With this grant, we would like to develop a vertical greenhouse with an aeroponics system that utilizes solar and geothermal energy. We will turn this greenhouse into a marketplace and take advantage of the accelerated production. We will also like to introduce a workforce that will perform transactions, tend to the production, maintain equipment, and analyze the associated data. Our objective is to create a sustainable way to feed our families going forward. This includes producing more truly organic nutrients, dense foods at an accelerated rate that conserves land, water, and energy. The modules that we have studied for this project have proven to produce about 90% of more food with 90% less land and water. What community does your project aim to serve, and how will your project advance the community priorities over the 24-month grant period? Our project will serve all local families in our area. Our block club is located on Derby Street between State Fair and 8 Mile Road. This project will span our focus from just our street to the entire neighborhood. We have found out that there are a large population of children and senior citizens in our area that will be significantly impacted by this project. Through a series of block club meetings, our members determined that a major community priority is food injustice. This is what inspired the development of our community garden. Food injustice is a problem that plagues our community. There are no grocery stores within walking distance, and the only produce in the area are found in gas stations. Making matters worse, when the residents are faced to make choices on what to eat, the main factor is often cost. With this project, we are addressing the problem of food injustice by providing a more affordable, nutrients dense food. The motto we have: research will promote an accelerated, sustainable growth of produce with the capabilities to feed over 100 families a week. How do you expect your project to improve the quality of life in your community in the long term? This project will have a long-term benefits that will leave lasting impact on your community. With this grant, we will be able to improve the quality of life in our community in a series of ways. First, we will create a sustainable greenhouse marketplace where residents will have access to year-round fresh local produce. Second, the greenhouse marketplace will incorporate a STEM program where youth can participate in learning and maintaining the process of each innovative component involved, including geothermal energy, solar energy, and aeroponics, which incorporates aquaponics. And lastly, the greenhouse marketplace will create jobs for local residents as we hope to employ community members to conduct transactions, facilitate production, and manage equipment.